Hi, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and today I'm going to give you two benefits to automated algo futures trading. So let's get started. Today I'm going to give you two benefits to automated algo futures trading. I have a bunch more benefits that are in the article that you can get on my website. Just go over to the description and click on the link to get the full list. But today, I'm going to talk about two things with futures trading that I think are really important. And then when you combine that with creating algos and automating them, you get something very nice for your portfolio. So the first thing is leverage. Now, normally when you buy a stock, if you want to buy 100 shares, they expect you to put up the cash that you would need to buy 100 shares. Of course, you can have a margin account, and then that will allow you to borrow money, but you're going to pay interest on that. And even then, you're not going to get that much leverage by doing it. So that makes stocks a little unappealing for somebody who wants to be leveraged. With futures, on the other hand, you can control a lot of futures with only a little bit of money. And that is because futures require a margin deposit. You're not charged interest on it, you're not borrowing money, but it's a good faith deposit. And that will allow you to hold a full contract of whatever you're looking to trade. Here's a table that just shows some of the representative leverages as of the time of this video that you could get out of this. Pretty impressive. You can control a lot of an instrument with only a little bit of money. So that means if the instrument goes up, you can make money a lot more quickly. The downside is you can lose a whole lot of money quickly with leverage. So leverage is definitely a double-edged sword. It works in your favor when the price is going your way, but when the price is not, leverage can really hurt you. So you have to be careful with leverage. Now, some people don't like to leverage at all, and that's fine. But when you do it right and you do it in a disciplined manner, leverage can really help you out and help you get gains that you otherwise would not get. So that's one benefit of futures trading. The other one is when you compare it to stocks, with futures you can sell short. Now, stocks, yes, you can sell short, but when the market's going down especially, you're going to see on any chart you pull up a little HB that's going to be right next to the stock ticker. And that means hard to borrow. And that might mean that your brokerage is unable, or at least it's difficult, for them to borrow those shares so you can go short. With futures, there's not a problem like that, because for every contract that's out there, there's somebody who's long and there's somebody who's short. There's two sides to it. So you can go short just as easily as you can go long. And that's whether you're trading copper, stock indices, wheat, corn, cotton, whatever. You can go short or you can go long. So whatever direction you feel the market's going, you can play that with your algo or however you trade. So that's a nice benefit too with futures, the ability to go short. I like futures for a lot of reasons, but the leverage and the ability to go short are two that are near the top of my list. If you like this video, please leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Maybe you have some other benefits. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll keep making more videos. I'm Kevin Davey. Thanks for watching.